Okay, folks, I'm going to show you how to get water out of the gas tank of your lawnmower. Several weeks ago, the old Cub Cadet started running rough, and what I found out was while I was pouring gas into the tank, the gas can, the old plastic one from Wal Mart, had split at the seams, and typically I just leave it outside. Well, I'd left it outside, it got rained on, and it got water into the gas can. So the old Cub didn't like that. That old Kohler engine was running rough. So I went down to Walmart to try and find something. Normally I use heat in the yellow can to get water out of the gas, but I couldn't find none. And so I started looking, finally made my way up to the small engine department there, and I found this mechanic in a bottle. Said it got water out of gas, did a, basically would rebuild the engine while you're running, stuff like that. All I was concerned was getting the water out of the gas. So I bought some, and I poured the gas that was in that can into a new can, put the heat and bottle. Well, previous to that, I'd already filled my tank, so the tank on the Cub had the old gas water in it. So I used what was left of mechanic and bottle in the Cub Cadet. And I'm just going to let the video run so you can hear the engine and see the difference before and after. Well, that's that. Okay, so I took the mechanic in the bottle, and it said you can't use too much. So the gas tank on the Cub is about 2.5 gallons, I believe, maybe 3. So I had a little less than half a bottle left, and I just went ahead and poured it all in a tank. First, I thought, well, maybe I'll just put the recommended amount. Then I read that you can't put too much, and I thought, what the crap, let's put it all in there, right? And in the next couple clips, you'll see the difference it made.